What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm super excited for this transformation. I am doing a color and also some feed-in braids. So these are going to be some black stitch braids with a pop of red, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys today. So I'm going to be coloring my client's hair. She actually saw someone do this on TikTok and was like, you know what, it would be lit if we did it. So I said, why not? So today I'm going to be using Quick Blue by L'Oreal to do this color transformation. Honestly, I'm just trying to get rid of this lightener because I have a whole tub of it. And since I'm not doing her full head or anything like that, then I'm just going to go ahead and use this to color her hair, guys. Typically, I like to use professional lighteners because they have like rebonding agents in them and stuff, so they're typically healthier for your hair. But you know, I've been using some beauty supply shit from time to time. I'm not gonna flex, so I'm gonna go in with this, and I am doing pretty much an inch away from the scalp all the way through to the ends. And the reason why I'm doing the ends is because she also had a little bit of color on her ends. We did adore in the color black, so I knew that I had to pull just a little bit of that out just to get her ends a little bit lighter, so that's why I went ahead and did that. And then we're gonna come back through after about 20 minutes and we're gonna put it on her roots as well. So because we're not trying to get her hair like super light, I didn't even really worry about toning it or anything. And if you guys can see that the bottom of her hair is red, that's because, like I said, we had Adore black hair dye on there that faded. Y'all, Adore is so trash. I hate using it. Like, it literally fades in 2 washes, and I will never use it again for the rest of my life, I swear. Actually, no, I take that back because I probably will. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and lighten this, and then we're gonna go in with her color, and y'all gonna see how poppin' it is. For the style, I'm actually going to be doing stitch braids on her because I wanted to try out the stitch braid method on some thicker and more coarse hair. So I'm just going to try that out. And then if y'all want to see a full-blown tutorial, you know your sis got you, period. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So I did go ahead and put a plastic bag over the lightener just so it would process a little bit quicker, but you guys can see here that we are pretty much ready to go on this. So we're going to go ahead and rinse that out, and then I'll show you guys what it looked like. I think I let this sit for a total of about 30 minutes. It was a really quick process. I used 20 volume. Typically I would go in with 30, I'm not going to lie, just if I need to do something quick. But yeah, the most annoying part, y'all, was making sure that I only parted out the section that was colored. That's hella annoying. I'm just gonna let y'all know right now. So right now we are using the Paul Mitchell Pop XG in the color red, and I love this color because it's super vibrant. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this all over my client's hair, just trying not to get it on the black, even though it really wouldn't matter, so I don't know why. But yeah, you just don't want to be messy with it. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. This needs to process for another 30 minutes, and we're gonna rinse that out and get these stitch braids popping. I know some of y'all are going to be in the comment section like, I know she didn't just color her hair for 1 braid. Oh, baby, yes, she did. And it looks shamacking. Like, at first, I was thinking the same thing, like, you really going to color your hair for this 1 braid? But when I thought about all the hairstyles that she could do with this little patch of red, I said, oh, yeah, you finna go viral, sis. Like, this is about to be a hit. And it literally turned out so bomb. It was so cute. We were debating between doing blonde and red, but I suggested that she do red because I'm like, sis, you got to have a color that's 1, super contrasty, and 2, that's really just gonna pop out that everybody wouldn't do. And so I said, yeah, red is finna hit. A lot of people would do blonde, which I think that's what the person on TikTok did. I said, oh, no, you gotta take it 1 step further, sis. So I'm super excited for you guys to see this transformation because it looked good, period. The funniest thing about this is that she actually didn't go viral. It actually didn't get a lot of views on TikTok, which is so annoying because I feel like when I try to do something that's popping and get views, like, I don't. But when I do some fuck shit or lie about some pricing, people be all on it, and it's so annoying. But sis was still cute. So to blow dry, I'm using this Silk Elements olive oil heat protectant, and I'm also using It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner to blow dry today. I switch up what I use to blow dry with, but I always try to use a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant if I'm doing feed-in braids. If I'm doing a silk press, then I usually go in with a heat protectant and a silk press serum. Y'all can already see how vibrant that red is, baby. I said this is a hit. I am rocking with this. And it was a super quick process because, like I said, I didn't tone or anything. So I'm so excited to do these stitch braids, baby. So for her stitch braids, I did switch up the product that I'm using because the knee braid is cool, but it's not super thick, and I had did the first braid on her head with knee braid, and I was like, yeah, nah, I'm gonna need something a little bit stronger. So for her hair today, I'm actually using lock-in. It's a little bit of a thicker consistency, and I just like the way that it was better. So you guys can see that first braid, I did that with knee braid, but the rest of them I am going to be using lock-in. I promise y'all that I have a detailed tutorial of all of the products that I use and when I choose to use them and why I like to use what I like to use. So don't worry, y'all, it's coming. I promise I'm gonna get that for you guys. Just be patient with me, please. So if you guys haven't watched my most recent stitch braid tutorial that I did where I did the Jada Way to stitch buns, then most of you guys probably won't know, but I am using a new stitch braid technique where I'm taking my comb and I'm stitching from the left to the right all the way through. From the right to the left all the way through. And this is really like elevating my stitch game. I'm not even gonna lie, like I only did it twice, but I'm already knowing like my stitches are just hitting a little bit different. So I'm actually gonna be doing a full-on stitch braid tutorial for you guys, so y'all can learn this technique, because baby, I want y'all to do it too, so y'all can be saucy with it too. And I'm just leaving out a little bit of baby hairs because she doesn't want anything too crazy that she can't redo herself, but I do want to give her just a little bit of sauce on there. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna get through these cornrows. So boom, we are done with the stitch braids. I also already laid her edges, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything with the foaming mousse. This really will help your baby hairs like from turning white. Sorry, y'all, I was making a TikTok while I was doing this, but anyway, this will prevent your edges from turning white, and also just help them stay into place for just a little bit longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then spray it with hairspray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie all of that down. So she did want her bun to be a little bit thicker, so in order to create that thickness, I just went ahead and made her braids longer, so that way I have more hair to wrap around. And I know y'all cannot see me wrapping this bun. That's hella annoying. I hate when I do that. But basically, I wanted to wrap this bun pretty, so I basically wrapped all of the black braids, and then I wrapped the red I wrapped the black braids around, and then I wrapped the red braid, that's a tongue twister, around the base, just because, like, yeah, I want it to be extra. But tell me this ain't hidden. Tell me this ain't different. Dang, I hope I get this without my camera in it. Tell me this ain't hidden with the red braid. It's super cute. Okay, so y'all, this is my finished look, period. It looks good. I love this, and I love the new stitch braid technique. I could have did better with my parts. Y'all, we did this at like 2 a.m. so I was tired as hell, but don't look at the parts. I didn't pre-part like I usually do, so I feel like they're just not as great as they could be, but my stitches look amazing. I love the little color pop in there, and she was feeling herself. So yes, this is my finished look. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel. And yeah, I guess I will catch you guys next time. Bye.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?